Another month, another release notes, and here we are with WebRTC M110. We're back to the cadence of once a month. Hopefully, this is going to stay. So, what's in this release?
Well, we're a bit ahead of the release. It is going to come out. No, let's see. Brand stable release. It's going to come out tomorrow as early stable release, and then the stable release on March 7th. And I'm not quite sure what that actually means. I assume it means that they're starting rolling it out at 0% tomorrow, and then in a week they plan to reach 100%.
Okay. So, more features or more stability?
As usual, more stability.
Yep, I think that's been the case for the last year or two.
Yes.
What should you investigate in there?
One bug is tagged as audio issues with insertable streams, and that's an optimization for insertable streams that was contributed externally. That was done for audio already, but it's now done for video as well. It's about threading and locking issues, and that hurt performance for audio, and it should improve performance for video now.
Okay.
And we have Linux screen sharing, which finally, after many months of work, is launched, enabled by default, which means on Linux you can share your screen and no longer get just a black window with the mouse cursor moving on top, which is good.
Okay. I used Linux years ago as my desktop at the beginning of WebRTC. I just stopped. It was impossible. Not enough support for it.
Yes.
Things to beware of.
Right. One thing is the extra validation of stun URLs. In particular, it's no longer allowed for stun URLs to have a transport equals UDP at the end. That bit Twilio, who served these URLs, being like, oh, it works, but without ever checking. And they're rolling out the fix currently. So if you use them and you haven't tested in beta, it should have been broken in beta already.
I wonder why was it important to break that?
Oh, it wasn't important at all. It was just like, okay, we're going to fix this web platform test. And then it shipped, and I was like, oh. And I happened to see that Twilio used it, so I was like, Twilio, fix your stuff. They could have protested at that point, but they didn't, so it ships.
Okay.
Yes, the next thing is the limit to the number of turn servers to 32, which should be reasonably high because you don't need more than one turn server, maybe in different variants. And that is a change I need moving forward to fix some low-level ICE issues. And it seems nobody uses more than 10. So
well,
we
if you
should
use
be good
more
with
than
32.
3 or 4, there is a problem.
Yes. Most importantly, you don't understand how it works, actually, because it's not like you get the best one picked by the end. No, you get the first one, if it's available.
Okay. And things to disregard.
ISEC, the audio codec, is gone. You shouldn't have been using it for a couple of years now. Opus is the default. Opus is working great. Just use Opus.
Okay. So thank you for this. And see you in the next release notes, hopefully in a month. Bye.
Bye.